Happy New Year, everyone. I want to say a very big thank you to all of you for your support so far last year, 2024. It was a great year, and I pray this 2025 will be more better. God's favor for all of us. Please continue to support this channel because we have a lot to achieve together. On today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to make this stylish sheep dress very simple that you can wear to your place of work, service, or any occasion of your choice. This is my first tutorial of the year 2025. Please keep on watching this tutorial down to the end. Subscribe, comment, and give it a thumbs up, guys. Also turn notification bell to get notified. You'll be the first to see my tutorial so that you can watch and learn by yourself. So let us dive into today's tutorial for the day, guys. Okay guys, here is my fabric. It's a crepe material and I'm going to fold into 4 pieces. That is, I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. So let me arrange it so that we can get started now with our tutorial for the day, guys. Please keep on watching down to the end, guys. So I'm going to draw a straight line to guide me on how to go about with my measurements for the day. Alright, don't forget I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together, and it's a shift dress. I'll just take the width of my dress, which is 12 inch. So I'm going to also measure my length, and I'm going by 37 inch for the length of my shift dress. Okay, so I'm going to cut the front piece and the back piece together, and I'm using crepe material to achieve this style. So I will mark 5 inch for my neckline, and it's going to have a boat neckline. Alright, so let me show you guys that I folded it into 4 pieces. Alright, so the depth of my neckline is by 2 inch. Alright, so I'll give a curve for the neckline. Don't forget it's a boat neckline. So I'm going to mark my shoulder. So I'm going to slope it by 1 inch and then connect the lines together. My half length is by 15 inch. So I'm marking my 15 inch for my half length, guys. So I'll just draw a straight line to connect the marks together. So while my shoulder, I'm going to mark 8 inch. Okay. So I'm marking 8 inch for my shoulder. So I'll give a straight line for my shoulder. I will mark my bust now, which is 40 inch, and also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance, guys. So my waist is by 34 inch. So I'm going to also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. Don't forget I'm going to also mark from my shoulder to my hip line to get 24 inch. So I'm going to draw a straight line. So I will now measure my hip measurement, which is 42 inch. So I also add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. So let me shift my fabric a bit so that you guys can see what I'm doing at the bottom. Okay. So I will curve my armhole now. So I'll connect all the lines together, but it's like my camera did not pick that part. So on my hip line, I will mark 38 inch. Please, on my hemline, I'm sorry about that, guys. So I'm just connecting the lines together so that After connecting it, I'm going to just cut it out. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll run a stitch on it. Alright. So guys, I hope you are following up, guys. So guys, this is my first tutorial of the year 2025. Guys, please give this video more watch time and don't forget to subscribe. You can also share this tutorial with your loved ones. Ask them to please watch this particular tutorial down to the end, guys, and give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and also watch and learn from it. Let me still say Happy New Year to you guys. Please keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end, and I hope you are enjoying today's tutorial. Alright, so don't forget the material that I'm using today is crepe material. Alright guys, so I'm cutting it out now so you can see how simple this style is for you to cut on your own. The only way for you to able to understand this particular tutorial please is that if you don't understand it, you need to watch it again so that you get to see the outcome of the style that I'm making today, guys. So the next step is for me to cut my dress sleeve. Okay, so I'll start with my width, which is 8 inch. So I'll draw a straight line. So I'm going to mark 12 inch, okay, for my length of my sleeve. Then I will mark my armhole by 1 inch. Then I'll connect the marks together. I will mark my round sleeve by 7 inch. Alright, so I will just cut the fabric now, that is the sleeve. I'll connect the marks first. Please guys, my fabric is crepe material and is 1.5 yard that I'm using to achieve this simple sheep dress that I'm cutting today. So I'm cutting the dress now, the sleeve of my dress. So after that, I'm going to just run a stitch on it, and before you know it, my dress will be ready. I have my sheep dress ready now. I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial of the year 2025. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe, drop your comments, let's talk, give this video more watch time, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified. You'll be the first to see my new tutorial of the year 2025. So guys, I hope you understood today's tutorial, and if you don't understand it, please watch this particular tutorial to the end. You can also watch my other tutorials now.